Hey guys, so welcome back to the new video. So today we will solve immediate food delivery problem number 117. What we have given is the delivery table that has the following columns: delivery ID, customer ID, order date, customer preference, delivery date. Delivery ID is a column of unique values of this table. So delivery ID will have unique values basically. So this column will have unique values. The table holds information about food delivery to the customer that make order at some date and specify a preferred delivery date on same day or after it. So what we have given is basically the customer ID will hold the customer ID for each customer. Order date is the date at which the customer ordered basically, and the customer preferred delivery date is the date he has selected as a preferred delivery date. So you get an option to select basically when you are ordering, you get an option to select what is your preferred delivery date. You want it today, or you want it tomorrow, or day after it. That's it. So that is stored inside customer preferred delivery date. Okay. So if the customer basically preferred delivery date is same as the order date, means the day it is ordering that particular thing, if that date and the preferred delivery date is same, the order is called as immediate. Otherwise, it is called as scheduled. Now, the first order of the customer is the order with the earliest order date. So, whichever order date values will be first, basically, in for the corresponding customer ID, that will be considered as the first order date. It is guaranteed that a customer has precisely one first order date. So, it is guaranteed that the customer will only have one first order date. Now, you have to write a solution to find the percentage of immediate order. So, we want the percentage of only immediate order, where the order date is equal to customer preferred delivery date. Okay, so we want to find the percentage of immediate order in the first order of all customers, and we want to round it these values to two decimal places. So let me explain you with this example. So here, if you consider, we are given the delivery date, delivery ID column, customer ID, order date, and the customer preferred delivery date. So here the immediate percentage is 50%, which is rounded up to two decimal places. Now, how it is done? So suppose consider first customer with the customer ID one. You can see that it has order date of 1, 8 and 11, 8. So let's consider 1, 8. So the order date is not same as the customer preferred delivery date. So this order is considered as scheduled. The customer ID 1 has first order with the delivery ID 1 and it is scheduled. Okay. Let's consider second customer. So it has two records. So this and this. Okay. So here for the customer with the customer ID 2, its order date is equals to the customer preferred delivery date. Yeah. So it is considered as immediate. Similarly for 3, it is considered as scheduled. Similarly, for 4, also the customer ID 4, it is considered as immediate basically. So we have out of 4 customer, out of 4 unique customer, we have 2 orders basically as scheduled and 2 orders as immediate. So the percentage will be 2 divided by 4, that is equal to 50%. So immediate percentage is 50%. Okay. How we can write the query for the same? Okay. So first of all, we need to get the customer ID and the corresponding their minimum order date. That will be considered as the first order date. And we need to find that our main query only contains values of this value of the corresponding customer ID with the given order date basically. So I'll do it. So we'll select. Okay. So let's write our main query later on basically. From we need to find it from delivery table. Okay. And we need to check where our customer ID, comma, order date in. So here we will write subquery. So what we will write is we will write select. We need to find out customer ID, comma, minimum of the order date that will be considered as the first order date for each customer basically from delivery table. We will group it by customer ID because we want this thing to be for each customer. So what we have done in the subquery is that basically we have selected customer ID with the corresponding minimum order date basically. That will be their first order basically from the delivery table. And we are grouping it by customer ID because we want this record to be for each customer basically. And and we are checking our main query, customer ID and the order date. We are checking where the customer ID and the order date is in this particular subquery basically. So this subquery will return customer ID with the corresponding minimum order date. And then our main query will check key whether we have that customer ID and the order date in the corresponding subquery. We will select only those records. So this is basically used for filtering out basically for filtering out customer and the corresponding minimum order date, that is the first order date. And inside our select we just need to find out immediate percentage. So first of all we need to round up these values to two decimal places. So we'll round up this to two decimal places as the column name will be immediate percentage. So copy this from this place. So yeah, so we have this part. Okay. And in the round basically, first of all we need to find out basically how many customers are there basically, which orders are immediate, means the number of immediate orders basically. So we'll do is sum. Inside the sum we will use a case statement basically. Here we'll check when your order date is equals to your customer preferred delivery date, then return me one, else zero. We will end this case. Okay. So this gives me the count of orders that are immediate basically. And we just need to divide this by your count of distinct customer ID. How many unique customer ID we have or unique customer we have. We'll just divide this by that and multiply it by 100. Okay. So yeah, that's it. So this will give me the immediate percentage that is rounding out to the value of two decimals basically. So if we run this query, so query got accepted. Desired output matches with the expected output. So I hope this is clear basically. We are just filtering out our customer and the order date as the customer and the corresponding minimum order date. So we get only customer with their first order basically. And inside that records a customer with their first order, basically we are checking if that order date is equals to the customer preferred delivery date, then we are setting it as 1, else we are 0, and then we are summing up this value so that we get the count of orders that are immediate, and just we are dividing it by the distinct customer ID. That will give me the distinct customers we have basically, and we are multiplying it by 100, rounding out these values to two decimal places as an immediate percentage. That's it. Yeah, I hope this is clear. If you have any doubt, feel free to write in comment basically, and I will get back to you on the. Thank you.